They're moving the trucks now.
Oh, look at how you can see up there.